Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to go ahead and be showing you how to go ahead and use your own playlist on Ladder. This is a very simple thing to do, so make sure that you watch this quick and easy video till the very end and follow my steps correctly so you can make sure that this works the same for you and you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So the first thing we want to do is to go ahead and open up the official Ladder application if you have not already. So if you do not already have it downloaded, what you want to do is go ahead and open up the App Store on your mobile phone. Open up the App Store, search for Ladder, find the application and install it. So after installing it and opening it up, this is going to be the home page you're greeted by. But keep in mind that you need a premium subscription to be able to use Ladder, either that or the free trial that is offered to you at the beginning once you install the application for the first time, but application cannot be used for free. So once you've gotten that ready, we can get started with using it. So here in the bottom right corner, you're going to have the theme section from where we can get started with choosing the theme we want to be a part of and whose workouts we want to follow. And now we can go to the workout page. So basically guys, to use your own playlist, you do not need to import playlists directly. So what you can do is use the integrations directly in the application. So the application seamlessly layers your favorite music from Spotify or Apple Music directly into your workout. So what you can do is just go ahead and access any of the workouts that you want to start. It's going to look like this, and you're going to have the start button. Once you click start, it's going to enable you to take a look at the icons, and you're going to see a Spotify and Apple Music icon, so you can select whatever platform you want to use, and just like that you can connect your music and listen to it during a workout. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching, take care and bye.